Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Martha with Bird and Barn Designs, and I am coming to you today to do an unboxing. I am super excited about this. I was asked to be a guest designer for Jaizella over at Lavish Laces, and she has the most beautiful laces. I just love working with them. So I received my design box today from her, and I would like to open it along with you all and see what lovely things are here. So I'm just kind of covering up the address here so we don't show that on the video. So I'll remove that paper and let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful pink tissue. Let's see if we can get this out in one piece and move the box here. I was so very honored when she asked me to do a guest design spot for her, and I can't wait to see what is in this goodie bag. Look at this beautiful pink tissue. Here is her name on her seal. For those of you who don't know her, Lavish Laces. She is on Etsy. Vintage laces, trims, and treasures. I just love that. Let's see if we can open this without destroying the tissue, because I think that could be used for some pretty ephemera in the future. Well, saved most of it. We can work around that. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh wow. How beautiful. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh my goodness, where shall we start? Guess we'll start on top and work our way down. So move that to the side. And look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love her vintage laces, and she's got beautiful French laces, all kinds of goodies. Look at this beautiful package. Oh my heavens. This wide lace is gorgeous. Look at how beautiful. Look at the detail in there. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Oh, look at all the beautiful florals. Pretty detail down there. Oh my, that is so pretty. That is gorgeous. And oh, look at this one. This is a wide lace. Wow. That is a beautiful panel right there. I love the scalloped edges, the beautiful floral detail. That's got to be, what, about 8 inches wide maybe, I bet. Let's see if we can measure. I can find a ruler here. So this one, yes, it's right at 8 inches. How beautiful. That's going to be so pretty on the perfect project. I've been thinking about what I want to make. Something very special to honor this lovely guest position she's extended. Oh, look at these. How pretty are these? I love this color. Let's see here. She's got them all packaged so beautifully. Look at this beautiful. That is so pretty. What a beautiful trim. I absolutely love that color. It almost looks like a tea dye. Look at this dainty little trim. How sweet is that? Oh, that's so pretty. And this one, this beautiful scallop trim. This one will be really pretty for edging, or you could cut these little pieces and use little bits here and there. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. You have no idea how excited I am. This is so fun. Look at this beautiful piece. Oh my goodness. This looks vintage, very vintage. Look at how beautiful. Beautiful floral detail in there. It's so soft. That is gorgeous. Another bag of goodies. Oh my heavens. How generous. Trying to put that to the side so I know what goes back with what. Look at this beautiful insertion lace. How pretty will that be? Let's see, I've got a little piece of a thing I was working on earlier. Stick that in there. Kind of get an idea how that would look. How beautiful. I love the insertion lace because you can put whatever color in there to match your project, or you can keep it in neutral. Look how beautiful that looks woven in and out of there. How gorgeous. Beautiful cotton. That is absolutely gorgeous. Is that cotton or linen? That might be linen, actually. And this beautiful trim. Oh, wow. Love, love, love this one. How beautiful is that? So pretty. And a beautiful little ruffle. Can never go wrong with the ruffle lace, can you? That looks very vintage as well. This whole pack looks vintage here. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my. That is going to be so pretty on something. Goodness, I have racked my brain trying to decide what to make. Look at this dainty little one. How sweet is that? That is so soft. Absolutely gorgeous. And another pretty one. This has little rosettes on it. How gorgeous is that? The little scallop detail there. So, so pretty. I've been doing so much sewing lately that I'm kind of in a sewing mode right now. I've done a few paper crafts, but not too many. On my crafty bucket list this year, I had a true vintage journal that I would like to make. So maybe some of this would be perfect for that idea. Look at this trim. That's a beautiful color. Really pretty. Go really well with the ivories, wouldn't it? So gorgeous. Oh, this is soft too. This is like silky soft. That is lovely. Oh my goodness, how cute. This is so dainty and feminine. I love, love, love this one. Wow. Jaizella, you're spoiling me. This is so amazing to be treated to such a beautiful package. Look at this insertion lace. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful gold. That looks perfect with my piece of fabric down here too, doesn't it? I really could use a pick-me-up right now. I've had a tough week. I hurt my back over the weekend and I've been kind of laid up this week, so this is such a sweet pick-me-up surprise. I absolutely love it. It's getting me excited about getting back in the craft room. This is like a stretchy one, like the elastic lace. That is so pretty too with the floral detail. I love it all. Oh my goodness. And what is in here? beautiful ledger pages. Wow. Beautiful vintage ephemera. Oh my heavens, look at this. A beautiful, beautiful picture. That is gorgeous. Written in French. This is 1960. That is beautiful. This is instrument. Music and instrument. A postcard from, let's see if we can figure out the year here. 1925 it says. I love the beautiful French writing. How gorgeous is that? And we've got, it looks like a little envelope. This will make a cute little tuck spot. 8-cent stamp. So cute. I love that. That crinkly sound. And another envelope. This looks like maybe 1937. Beautiful envelopes. Look at that. Look at how pretty the inside is. Oh my, this is going to be so, so pretty to work with. And another one. This is from 1941. Paris. Look at that gorgeous handwriting. I love that. So, so pretty. This is so very soft. I love that vintage coloration that it got. And then look at this. I absolutely love ledger pages, and I don't have very many foreign pages. This French page is gorgeous. Look at this. That gorgeous, gorgeous lettering up here. How precisely they've written in cursive. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my. Look at that. All the writing and the figures. Even their numbers look so beautiful. And then on the back. So gorgeous. That is such a nice big sheet. I'm going to have fun with that. That is outstanding. We all love our pretty laces and fabrics, but I get just as excited with the ephemera as I do the others. And here we have an astrologist paper pad by Creative Expressions. How nice. I have to tell you, I have not used a paper pad in a very long time. This will be a fun thing to play with. Look at the beautiful pages. Oh, and it's double-sided too. Look at that. Oh, so very pretty. I love that. Gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. So, so pretty. You know what? This might make a really pretty little traveler's notebook. How cute would that be? So beautiful. Oh my heavens, it looks like it doesn't repeat very often, so you get all kinds of beautiful pages. That is outstanding. I'm going to have fun with that. That is going to be fun to play with. Look at that beautiful map on the back. How gorgeous. Wow, Jaizella, thank you so very much. I am so excited. I am honored and excited and just ready to dive into all of this and see what kind of pretties can be made. I am very, very blessed right now. Look at all of this yumminess and all of the beautiful laces. See if I can get these out here without tangling them all up. My voice is a little kind of crazy too with this situation. They put me on some medicines and things, and I'm a little groggy from it sometimes, so I don't want that to show in my enthusiasm, because I am beyond thrilled and excited about this. This is so wonderful. I maybe should have waited to open, but I couldn't wait. My husband brought it in from the mail today, and I waited as long as I could, and then I had to open it. So Jaizella, thank you so much for this opportunity, for this beautiful package. I love every single thing you've included. It's stunning, every bit of it. And if you don't know Lavish Laces on Etsy, I will link the shop in the description box on this video, and you've got to run over and see what she's got in there. I know she was running a sale on a few things right now, so you might check that and see all of the gorgeous lace selection that she has, the vintage, the French. It's all so, so beautiful. I, in fact, have a few of her pieces that I had purchased from her shop on my spools right here. Look at how beautiful. So she's got such a variety of laces and ephemera and kits that she has made up, and all of the rubber stamps she has, texture paste, just all kinds of goodies. So I encourage you to go over and see what she's got in her shop if you don't already know her. So Jaizella, thank you so much. I look forward to getting started on this project, and I hope to see you very soon with my finished project. I have to decide what to do. I've got it narrowed down to about 3 things. So now that I've seen everything, I have somewhat of an idea, and I will look forward to getting right on this and showing you the project that I create with all this beauty. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye, y'all.